I hold transfer foil on. And then we're gonna key it for 30 seconds. Make sure you are going to apply it nice and covers everything, because just in case you encapsulate everywhere, you want to make sure that it's going to cover it for you. Here 30 seconds. So I'm not using some of this, like this glitter right here that I have, the hearts. So I'm gonna encapsulate them onto the nails. And then in the meantime, you can able to do it in caps. You can do the crystal placement at the same time as well. And this is for if you want to get some of this. Yep, I think I did cue. So I'm gonna go ahead and adding some of them. It's gonna move this just a little bit. They're stocked really well because with the premium iHold transfer foil will stick to wherever you want it. You can place them. See if I get any more. A couple more right there. And on this spot, I can add some crystal on if you want to. You can go ahead and add more as you prefer. But if you are happy with this, we are going to, I want some of this frame right there. I'm going to try to get all the elements that I have, like all the little crystal cute that I have in here. All right, so if you're happy with this, you can add more, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and, what about this one though? What about this one? This one. Add some more if you want to. All right, so I'm go ahead and using the condensed glue gels. We are gonna floating it right on the top to kind of encap it. At the same time, you are going to able to apply your crystal as you prefer. And if you want to add glitter, more of the glitter, which is, if you want to add some more glitter, like a particle, smaller particle, you can definitely add it some like little dot here and there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels. So now, because it's getting really attaching to the nail plates because of the iHold Premium Transfer Foil gel, so then that's why it will help all the glitter stay on really nice and stay in one place. I'm gonna give it a little bit more to encap them. That is perfect for anyone who do a gel polish with the clients and want to add some of the dramatic glitters, encapsulate on. Perfect. I'm gonna spread it, my bristle, on the part that it doesn't have the glitter, so then it keep it nice and is not have too much of the condensed glue gels, but it keep that part and really nice encapsulate on this. Cool. So do not cure yet, because we are going to do another layer, which is top coat on. This is one of the really easiest, the most easiest way to do encapsulate when you have your clients already is you can add some bead on it. Add some bead on it too. Beads can go in right in here, and you can cap the bead too. It can get right into yours like condensed glue gels. Just in case you want it. If you don't want it, it's okay. Cool. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the no wipe top coat. We're gonna floating right on the top. So then that way it not only cap all of your condensed glue gels, but also this will be the second step when before you place any of the crystals on. Floating on the top. Looks really gorgeous already. Should it cover this part? Great, so now is the best time. If you want to add any of the crystal, is the best time to add it now. If you don't want anything else, absolutely you can key it for 60 seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna add maybe here. Super cute. Okay. And you can add some crystal. It's randomly wherever you want. I think I'm good. Huh? The extra one is not gonna hurt. Good. If you're happy with this, we'll go ahead and cure. Just drop right there. When it happened like that, it just pick up the unwanted crystal that's just falling, like what happened to me, and with your tweezers, wipe up on the edges, and then now you can cure. Okay. Really nice. Adjusting anything you might want before you cure.